I'm going to make a video for those who wants to have potted plants or flowers but doesn't know how or where to start. First, you buy multicolored flowers that you like. I bought this Calibrachoa. Very gorgeous looking, isn't it? It looks like Petunia with tiny flowers. These flowers are trailing plants. The plants have grown huge that it needs to be transferred into a bigger container. Buy a pot that is bigger and has some holes at the bottom for drainage, and also soil. Trying to fit this one and see where my soil will be. So that's okay. Have put some dirt there already. I'm going to put, what is this for the alfalfa meal, triple 13. Remove the handle of the hanging basket, push it down. Gosh, I need 2 hands here. Loosen the soil. Then using both hands, one hand here and the other one holding this one, the mouth of the pot to remove, then transfer it there. I need to add more soil on the sides and a little bit on the top. Make sure to push down the soil so that there's no air pockets. I'm going to add a little here on the top. More of the alfalfa meal. That's it. You just need to water it. Mandevilla, it's a climbing plant that needs structure or trellis to hold on. You can plant the same color of flowers in groups. Soil at the bottom of the pot with the fertilizers. I arranged the plants in a triangle design. My new soil level is the same when I bought the plants. Made to cage and this metal thing.